Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram user not found. To know how to fix Instagram user not found, you should just go to settings like this. You will click here. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will click here storage and you will enter. Then in this page you will click clear cache. After that you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Instagram user not found. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.